Coach PJ here. Trust is difficult to build and takes time to build, but it's so easy to lose. You can lose it in an instant. And I was meeting with some people last week, and the concept of trust came out, and the concept of building trust or rebuilding trust when it's broken. And there was so much discussion around how to rebuild the trust. Do you have to do it one person at a time? Can you accelerate it in any way? And trust comes down to the commitments and the relationships, because people trust people. Yes, an organization can lose trust or a business can lose trust, but truly the people are what give trust and what build trust. As you look at relationships in your world, and we look at how to manage the trust, treating it as a precious commodity, that your clients trust you're going to deliver something. They trust you're going to be there. They trust you're going to pick up the phone. They trust that if something's wrong, you're going to address it. They trust that your employees or your customer service, that your team is going to get their questions answered or to address any concerns they have. That trust is so important. And sometimes we are victims of the lack of institutional trust. You know, how many times did you get you have to call customer service and you kind of dread it because you're like, not certain I can trust, because you've had other experiences where it hasn't been great. But this is an area when you own a small business that you can really, really take care of a customer and make an impact. And you can make an impact on that customer by showing how different you really are, by going the extra mile, by showing them versus just telling them. I always laugh when I go into a Walmart or a Target or one of the big boxes and I ask for directions or ask where something is. And inevitably that person feels like they can't leave their post. Their feet are glued to the floor. They're set in stone, and they're like, well, it's over there. And they kind of point over there and they kind of show you where it is, but they're not willing to walk over there with you and show you exactly what you're looking for and help consult with you. It's only when you get to the Ace Hardwares, when you get to the local stores, that oftentimes they're walking over there with you. They're showing, they're helping you problem solve. I love those, because I can trust that they are going to treat me well. They're going to help me versus just point me in a direction and hope that I find what I'm looking for. That element of trust in the level of service I'm going to get, in the questions I'm going to get answered, in the help that I'm going to get in buying their products or buying their services. So as you look at your business, how do you build trust? What are the elements of building trust? And the easiest way to do it is to do what you say you're going to do when you say you're going to do it, and that will deliver trust, provided you execute on that and you do exactly what you say you're going to do and you do exactly when you say you're going to do it. That is a trust building exercise for you. If you like what you heard today, like, subscribe, comment below. Your business profit. Until next time.